Do you want that one look that everybody looks at and be like, whoa, did you take a lot of time doing this eye makeup? But you know that it was super easy to do. Hey Tanfam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mrs. Tanya Joshi, aka Relate with Tanya, and I hope you guys are doing really well. Today's eye look is going to be this very simple smudged kohl eye look, and it's super easy to do. I will tell you and guide you along the way. So what are you waiting for? Keep on watching. And ta-da! With the magic of editing, I am already done with my base. So let's move on to our eyes. So I'm going to take the LAKME Brow Definer in the shade Espresso. I'm just going to use the spoolie behind and comb through my brows and just start outlining my brows like so. I'm not going to fill them in like crazy because we don't want the boxy brow effect. You know what I mean. So I'm just going to lightly, feather touch, do my brows and just slightly outline it and fill in the areas where it is required. Now moving on for our eye concealer, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 317 on my eyelids before I start applying my eyeshadow. Now moving on, we need to create a wing liner. So I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetics Kajal in the shade Back to Black. We need a kajal that smudges out beautifully. So keep that in mind. So now I would recommend for people who have bigger lid space to go ahead with a nice long wing liner because it looks really nice. But people who have hooded eyes, I would recommend either skip the wing liner for getting this Alia Bhatt effect look with this makeup, or else go for a slightly shorter wing liner. So that it does not overpower the look and it suits the eye shape well. Now we're going to take a flat brush to, slightly smudge the liner so that it gives a nice soft effect before we layer our eyeshadow. Like I said, for hooded eyes, please skip the wing liner or keep the wing liner short. So we're going to take this K Beauty Bare Soul eyeshadow palette. Basically, you need one brown color only to create this look. So you can choose any palette that you feel like. So I'm taking this blending brush over here, like a very small one, and layering that brown color on top of my wing liner. The black below will create a slight depth that we need in the eye look, so that it looks as if you've put in a lot of effort by using transition shades, but you haven't, and you know you've used only 2 products to create this. So just make sure that you are layering the brown color beautifully and also simultaneously in circular motions or left right motions, blending out the eyeshadow to create a soft effect. Now after this, once you're done layering with it and depositing the color on your liner, just clean the fluffy brush or use a clean fresh brush and just soften out the edges on top, just so that it gives a nice soft affected look. So I hope you've understood till here. So let's move on to the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'm taking the same Sugar Cosmetics Kajal and applying it all over my waterline and also taking it out a little bit to the lower part of my eyes. And now I'm going to take the same flat brush and start smudging it out to give a beautiful smoked out effect. This effect looks very beautiful even on hooded eyes, guys. Trust me, it looks very sultry, very sexy. So do try it out. And I'm just nicely, beautifully, smoking it out. Make sure you don't bring it down too much. Now layer the same kajal with the brown color that we have used on our lids. So I'm using a small fluffy brush and applying the brown color on my lower lash line like so, and just going slowly and finishing the effect that we need. Now you can choose any gold color highlighter and apply it in your inner corner and your brow bone to just complete the look. It adds a lot of oomph to the look, which I love. You can go silver or gold as per your choice. I love gold. It looks really, really pretty. Now after this, I'm going to take the Maybelline Sky High Mascara and just do my lashes. Don't forget to do the lower part of your lashes as well. It completes the look beautifully. Now you can leave it over here or actually apply falsies. I really love applying falsies, so I'm going to use some thick lashes. These are Lashable by Lashes by Ritika. They are an Instagram page and I got these lashes from there, so I'll link their Instagram page below, and I've applied it to complete the look. You can go thin or thick as per your choice, and this is how the completed look looks like. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. It's super easy and beginner friendly. If you have any more requests, let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to do it. And yeah, by the way, if you want to learn a classic black smoky eye but with a twist, doesn't that sound a bit interesting? Then definitely click on the thumbnail on the right side and go and check that video out right now.